So this year, I've decided to do Advent of Code. This is actually something I wanted to do for a few years now, but work and everything else gets in the way, normally around December time. But this year, I'm going to really put myself to the challenge, actually do each of the challenges. Advent of Code is a fantastic platform and mechanism for you as maybe a junior developer or even like more senior developers to hone in your skills when it comes to developing. You can use whatever language you want, maybe use something that's new to you, and it really hones in those skills when it comes to developing. This year, I've actually decided to go with the programming language Rust. It's a fantastic language. I've really been enjoying it for the last year that I've been writing. I'm not that proficient in the language, but actually my goal is the Advent of Code will really help me hone in some of those skills that I really want to learn. So yesterday, I actually created a small project to make sure that everything works fine. I've set it up so that you can register specific days, so I didn't want to just swap between each functions. I wanted to be able to say, go back to day 4, and you just type in -d4, and it would just work. So there's a couple of things that I've added to make it a bit easier on myself. Just a couple of things like show which days are available if we haven't set anything, and then register every single day and run them independently. The other thing that's really nice is that there's a bunch of CLI stuff, automatic like functions to read in file contents, which is quite common in these challenges. And then each day will be set out in its own Rust file. So everything is self-contained in a single Rust file with a run or a main or something like this. And I can call each of these when I want to as well. So that, for example, if I want to just look at day 1, all the code will be contained inside one of my Rust files. Really simple, really straightforward, and it will be simple for everybody to follow along. All of the source code that I'll be writing during this adventure will actually be present on my GitHub. You can take a look, maybe contribute back if you think something could be improved. I'm always learning, so happy to take in pull requests and things like this as well. And finally, my wife will actually be the one narrating it for me as well. So when you hear a wonderful voice, it's probably not me, it's my wife as well. So I hope you all have a great rest of your month and are happy to come on this journey with me. Take care.